What's up, everybody? It's R here from Man of Thoughts, and let's face it, we've all been there staring at our phones, agonizing over the perfect text to send to that special someone. You know that feeling, right? You spend hours crafting the perfect message, agonizing over every emoji and full stop. Well, today I'm sharing my secret arsenal of verbal weapons, carefully chosen phrases that land directly in the heart. These aren't your cheesy pickup lines. These are subtle, powerful words designed to make your crush see you in a whole new light. We're diving deep into the psychology of attraction, and trust me, this isn't about manipulation. It's about honest communication with a little sprinkle of charm. Because let's be real, sometimes we all need a little nudge in the right direction, and the right words can be just the thing to tip the scales in your favor. So if you're ready to take your crush game to the next level, buckle up because we're about to unlock the secrets of language and attraction. Picture this. You're grabbing a coffee before class and you spot your crush by the milk and sugar. This is it, your chance. Instead of the usual awkward nod, you throw them a warm smile and say, "Hey, you know what? You always make my day better when I see you. See what I did there? It's casual, it's playful, but it also carries this subtle undertone of, I actually think about you, and you bring a smile to my face." Now, before you start panicking about sounding cheesy, remember, it's all about the delivery. Keep it light, keep it breezy, like it's just a spontaneous thought that popped into your head. And here's the kicker. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good. By associating yourself with positive feelings, you're planting a little seed in their subconscious. They might not even realize why, but they'll start looking forward to seeing you because your presence is linked to these warm, fuzzy emotions. It's like classical conditioning, but for crushing. You're essentially becoming the human equivalent of a cute puppy video. And the best part, you don't need a grand gesture or a perfectly timed encounter to use this phrase. It works just as well in a crowded hallway during a group project or even in a casual text message. Just sprinkle it into a conversation naturally and watch the magic happen. But hey, don't just take my word for it. The next time you see your crush, try it out and see the results for yourself. I guarantee you'll see a spark in their eyes. And if you're feeling really bold, tell me about it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your success stories. Now I know what you're thinking, Matt, suggesting someone's changed physically? That's a dangerous game, and you're right. If it's not done right, it can totally backfire. But here's the key. It's not about making a huge deal out of their appearance. It's about subtle observation and genuine admiration. Let's say you're chatting with your crush after class, and you notice they've got a new spring in their step. Or maybe they're carrying themselves with a little more confidence. This is your moment. Casually drop a, "Have you been working out?" with a playful smirk. The key here is to keep it light and breezy. You're not commenting on their weight or body image. You're simply noticing a positive change in their demeanor. Maybe they have been hitting the gym, or maybe they're just feeling good about themselves. Either way, it shows you're paying attention and you appreciate their effort. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little ego boost? By acknowledging their hard work, you're making them feel seen and appreciated, which creates an instant connection. It's a subtle way of saying, "I notice you and I like what I see." But a word of caution tone is everything here. Avoid any hint of sleaziness or backhanded compliments. The goal is to come across as playful and observant, not creepy or judgmental. So the next time you're chatting with your crush, keep your eyes peeled for those subtle cues. And don't be afraid to throw in a playful, "Have you been working out?" You might be surprised at the reaction you get. Okay, this one's a bit bolder, but trust me, it packs a punch. I was just thinking about you. It's simple, it's direct, and it creates an instant sense of intimacy. But the real power of this phrase lies in its ability to spark curiosity and intrigue. Imagine this. You're texting your crush about something completely random, like a funny meme or a news article. Then out of the blue, you hit them with a casual, "I was just thinking about you." Boom! Just like that, you've shifted the dynamic of the conversation. Now they're left wondering, wait, why were they thinking about me? It creates this playful mystery, this little seed of intrigue that lingers in their mind. And the best part is, you don't even have to reveal why you were thinking about them. You can keep it light and playful by saying something like, "You just popped into my head, it's weird," or you can be a bit more flirtatious and say, "Something reminded me of you, but it's a secret." The key is to leave them wanting more. You're giving them a glimpse into your thoughts, but you're not revealing everything, which creates this irresistible air of mystery. It's like a cliffhanger in a TV show. It leaves them wanting the next episode, or in this case, the next text message. All right, let's talk strategy. This one's all about creating a sense of connection and, dare I say, a little bit of dependence. Now, I'm not suggesting you become completely helpless and rely on your crush for everything. But everyone likes to feel needed, right? So how do you subtly convey that need without coming across as needy? Simple, ask for their help. But not just any kind of help, something that plays to their strengths or interests. Let's say your crush is a tech whiz. Shoot them a casual text saying, "Hey, my laptop's been acting up and you're the only person I know who speaks tech. Any chance you could take a look?" Or maybe they're a bookworm. Hit them with a, "I'm looking for a new book to read and you always have the best recommendations. Any suggestions? See what we're doing here? We're not only asking for their help, but we're also complimenting their skills and knowledge." It's a subtle way of saying, "I value your opinion and you're good at what you do." And the best part is it creates a natural opportunity for further interaction. Once they've helped you out, you have the perfect excuse to thank them, maybe even offer to buy them coffee or lunch as a token of appreciation. Just remember, keep it genuine. Don't ask for help with something you could easily figure out yourself. The goal here is to create a genuine connection, not to manipulate them into spending time with you. All right, we've reached the final charm, the one you've been waiting for. You're not like anyone else. This, my friends, is the ultimate compliment. It's a statement that cuts through the noise and makes your crush feel truly seen and appreciated for who they are. But here's the catch. You can't just throw this phrase around willy-nilly. It has to be earned. It has to be backed up by genuine observation and a true understanding of what makes your crush unique. So how do you use this phrase effectively? It's all about the timing and the delivery. Let's say you're having a deep conversation with your crush, and they reveal something vulnerable or unique about themselves. This is your moment. Look them in the eye. And with sincerity in your voice, say, "You know, you're not like anyone else I've ever met." Don't just say it. Mean it. Feel the weight of those words as they leave your lips. It's about recognizing their individuality, their quirks, the things that make them special. It's about appreciating their authenticity in a world that often demands conformity. And the impact, well, let's just say it's unforgettable. It's a statement that stays with someone long after the conversation is over. It plants a seed in their mind, a seed that says, "This person gets me, this person sees me for who I truly am." So there you have it. 5 deceptively simple phrases that can transform your love life. Remember, it's not about manipulation, it's about connection. When you use these phrases genuinely, with real interest and warmth, they become more than just words. They become tools to unlock deeper connection. Now go out there and try these out on your crush. And remember, confidence is key. Believe in the power of your words and they'll believe in you too. As always, I'm rooting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things love, dating, and relationships.